evil blackbird picking up a wood that's still on fire. Thrown into the hay. Fast land flame. The monkeys couldn't escape, choking with thick smoke that doesn't stop coughing. Monkey family surrounded by fire. It's in danger right now. He's the head of it. Decide immediately, lead your family members to move. Unfortunately, they are still a step behind. The fire surrounded them. This place has become desperate. A couple of runaway ostriches separate in the chaos. The husband is anxious to find a wife. Not far away, there seemed to be a call from his wife, and does not hesitate to go in the direction. Straight into the thick smoke. A family of stinky civets keeps their cubs running to the nearest cave. Hiding inside is safe. Lions on the prairie. In the face of this great fire, I'm weak and helpless. You can only keep moving up. Waiting for a miracle. The merciless fire is devouring the meadow. Escaped animals gather a large hut. Way to the north. Every decision of the leader. It's all about the survival of the family. Facing the fire, he has no time to hesitate. Determined to lead the members, in the family bursts into flames. This way is definitely right. It succeeded in getting the family out. It's different from animals fighting to escape. Black people come from all directions. They protect the fire to prey on small fleeing creatures. This is a rare barbecue. No one expected. A fire is not caused by natural disasters, but by animals, just because a black turtle wants to eat barbecue. After the fire, the land that used to be full of life becomes full of ash. Monkey family struggling to find food on scorched land. The egg that the ostrich couple left behind was destroyed by fire. It's cooked. But the monkey's mother didn't know how to open it. Can only give up. A curious young monkey grabs an egg. Unfortunately, I can't open a way to break an ostrich's eggshell. And finally, this ostrich egg goes through a lot of twists and turns. Fall into this monkey ear. Is the leader, and is a symbol of the strength and wisdom of the wasteland family. If you're trapped by a live bird egg, it will really lose face. He scratched his head strategically sitting on an ostrich egg. I didn't expect the blind cat to encounter the fried fish. Dinner was finally there.